In this lesson, we'll review a math question from the problem solving section. We're on page 970, question 19 out of 20. We know this is a difficult problem. Here's a function. Function questions are very common. Also symbol questions where you're given some foreign symbol, it'll be defined and you're asked to find something else. In both cases, symbol problems and function problems, the best advice, do one side of the function or the symbol at a time. So here's the original definition. F of x is defined as 2x minus 1. So what I mean by one side at a time, this is the left side. I'm just going to erase the 4 and I'm just solving for the left side. So instead of an x, we have root t. Okay, let's just bypass the 1/2 for now. So we're just substituting root t for x because this is substitution. It's a function. So now here's the definition up here. So that is going to turn into 2. What's our x? It's root t. We just substituted minus 1. But don't forget the 1/2 on the left. So if there's a 1/2 on the left of the function or a 2 or whatever number is, it's the whole quantity gets multiplied. I'm still just doing the left side. And now this becomes 1/2 times 2 is just 1. So it becomes root t minus 1/2. All right, again, this is just the left side. The reason I really recommend doing one side at a time, in this case, for the right side, we simply have a value. For the right side here, we're given the value of 4. So we just plug in 4. But it won't always be a 4. So you also conceivably could have a function on the right side. Now, if there is a function on the right side, you have to go back and plug it in. But here you simply have a 4, so it's just a number. All right, so keep that in mind. You could have a symbol or a function on both sides. Here it's just one side. So now we're just solving for t. Now the symbol or the function is gone, and it just turns into an algebraic expression. So we're solving for root t. So we have a half here. We want to subtract 1/2, but I would turn the 4 in terms of halves. So I'm going to make this 8 halves. All right, and now I'm going to add a 1/2, so root t, I'm going to add 1/2 plus the 8 halves equals 9 halves. And the last step is I square both sides, and remember we were squaring fractions. The top and bottom would both be squared, so t is just 81/4, and that's our answer, E. All right, keep that in mind when solving functions one side at a time. It makes these much easier. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.